After going through forums, workshops, and user experiences, I gathered the most reliable information about the most common problems in the Chevrolet Cruze from 2014 to 2023. Let's get straight to what matters. One of the most reported issues by Chevrolet Cruze owners, especially in models with automatic transmission, is a problem with the gearbox, particularly the 6-speed automatic transmission. Many users on forums like Reddit and specialized communities mention that the gear shifts can feel rough, with jerks or delayed responses. One owner said, "When I shift from second to third, it feels like it sticks and then gives a strong jerk. It seems like the gearbox isn't syncing properly." According to mechanics, this problem can be caused by premature wear of the solenoids inside the transmission or by software that doesn't manage the shifts well. Chevrolet acknowledged these issues in some model years and released technical service bulletins to update the software and, in severe cases, replace gearbox components. The recommendation is to take the car to the dealership for the update, and if the problem continues, to check the torque converter and solenoids, since sometimes repairs involve replacing internal parts to restore smooth shifting. Another quite common failure is with the cooling system, especially leaks in the radiator or hoses. Many owners report that the car overheats more than usual, or that the coolant level drops quickly for no apparent reason. On forums, it's common to read, "I have to refill coolant every month and I don't see where it's leaking from." Mechanics explain that the Chevrolet Cruze uses a radiator that can develop small cracks over time, and the flexible hoses also tend to dry out or crack, causing leaks. The brand responded to these complaints with some extended replacements and improvements on newer models, although they don't always offer extended warranties for these parts. The recommended solution is to thoroughly inspect the cooling system and replace the radiator or hoses if leaks are found, plus keep up with preventive maintenance to avoid overheating that could damage the engine. Another common problem in the Chevrolet Cruze during these years lies in the electrical system, especially failures with the ABS brake sensors or issues with the engine computer. Several users have commented on brand forums that the check engine or ABS warning lights appeared for no clear reason, and sometimes the braking system behaves erratically. A technician on one of these forums said, "This model often has problems with the wheel speed sensor, which is vital for the ABS. Over time, the sensor gets dirty or damaged, causing those failures." Chevrolet has published some bulletins recommending cleaning or replacing the sensor and, at times, updating the control module software. If the problem persists, visiting a specialized shop is key to properly diagnose with scanners and replace faulty sensors. This is essential to maintain safety and avoid driving risks.